Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your project on Edits and Instagram app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete a project in Edits app by Instagram, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Edits app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this icon on the bottom center of the screen. Now once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the project section. Now in order to delete a project, what you need to do is select the project that you want. Now once you have selected it, all you gotta do is tap on, simply keep on holding to the selected project, and then you'll find this prompt menu, and there you'll find the option that says delete. Simply tap on that and then simply tap on delete once again to confirm your deletion, and the selected project will be deleted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.